Hello guys, Alan here. Welcome once again to Munich Tour Tips TV for another virtual walking tour through the city. Remember guys, if you enjoy the videos, it would be really appreciated if you just took the time to tap gently on the subscribe button, also tap on the notification bell, and you will know when there's a new video available to be viewed. Today guys, we're walking from Leopoldstrasse station up to Münchner Freiheit along the Leopoldstrasse, which is the main street running through the trendy Schwabing district of Munich. So if you were to start from Odeonsplatz, where the Feldherrnhalle is, and head north up the Ludwigstrasse towards the Ludwig Maximilians University, eventually you would come to the Siegestor, or the Victory Gate, and that's where the Ludwigstrasse ends, and then this street, the Leopoldstrasse, continues north out of the city, as I say, towards Münchner Freiheit. The Leopoldstrasse is one of the most important streets in Munich, featuring shops, cinemas, hotels, open-air cafes and restaurants, and a major parkway. Throughout the year it is a location for various events, such as the Munich Marathon and street festivals like the Street Life Festival, during which Leopoldstrasse is partly or completely closed to all traffic. After major sporting events, the boulevard of Schwabing is occupied by celebrating fans. For instance, when Bayern Munich win trophies, or when the German national team has won trophies in football or in soccer, for you guys from the States, celebrations will take place down this boulevard here. The side street you can see across the road there, guys, will take you towards the Englischer Garden, or the main park here in the city. And the English Garden is the largest urban park in Europe, and on a beautiful sunny day in the city is well worth a visit. So, you know, if you want to get to the English Garden, there are many access points, but this location here is an excellent. You know, if you take the train to Leopoldstrasse and make your way over to the English Garden, after you've had a nice day in the park, you can always visit one of the nice bars down the Leopoldstrasse on your way back to your hotel or whatever. Back in 1962, the Leopoldstrasse was the scene of the infamous Schwabing riots that took place here. It was something that happened on the 21st of June 1962. And what happened was a group of young street musicians were still playing after 10:30 p.m. and residents on the Leopoldstrasse called the police after an unsuccessful attempt to calm things down themselves. And when the police arrived, cutting a long story short, it ended up with a huge riot involving something like 40,000 people, which is pretty hard to imagine because it looks so peaceful down here at the moment. But it was a night of extreme violence. It actually ended up being 4 days of violence, which is why so many people were involved. There was a lot of high property damage. A total of around 400 people were arrested, and some were later sentenced to small fines or imprisonment. Retrospectively, it's deemed that the reason that the riots got out of hand is because of excessive baton use by the police. They were very confrontational, and that led to more and more people getting involved, you know, and as I say, eventually it ended up with 4 days of violence. So we're now heading up towards the Münchner Freiheit area where the station is, and it's a very popular tourist attraction, especially during the winter months when one of Munich's largest Christmas markets takes place at Münchner Freiheit. A very popular German pop group derived their name from the location and have retained the original spelling of Münchner in the name. The square at Münchner Freiheit was originally called Feilichplatz after a Bavarian interior minister, and in 1933 it was renamed to Danziger Freiheit. In tribute to an anti-Nazi resistance group, the Freiheitsaktion Bayern, who had taken over 2 Munich radio towers in 1945, the name Münchner Freiheit, or Munich Freedom, was selected following the war. So for people of moderate walking pace, guys, this walk would take approximately 10 minutes. And thanks once again for joining me on this walking tour. We can see the U-Bahn station here now. Things are starting to look up a little bit here in Munich with regards to the regulations. And hopefully I'll see you in Munich in the not too distant future. Take care, guys. All the best to you.